How to add payment method in McDonald's app. Let's get started. Launch your McDonald's app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now at the bottom you're gonna find different options. Head over to the option of more. Once you're in the more page here you'll find different options. Click on the option of my account. Now go ahead and click on the option of payment options. Now from here you can easily add payment method in McDonald's app. On the basis of your reason, you're gonna find different payment methods. You just have to select the payment method that you wanna use for your McDonald's app. After you select any of the payment method, provide the details, card number, CVV, security code, and everything. And once we're done, you can click on the option of save. With that, your payment method will be updated. So this is how you can easily add payment method in McDonald's app. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.